Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I've got a stunning Ford Cougar 2 litre titanium sport. Full service history, just over 22,000 miles, beautiful deep impact blue, new tyres on the front, roof rails, privacy glass, rear parking sensors, alloy wheel upgrade, half leather interior, Isofix child seat anchor points in the back to aid in keeping babies, children and toddlers safe as possible. In the huge boot we've got a 12 volt power supply there. There's one in the back there for kids and rear passengers. 6-speed gearbox, 12 volt power supply in the front, USB connectivity, dual zone climate control with air conditioning, auto park function on this car as well, stop start control, front and rear parking sensors, heated front windscreen, air conditioning, phone, information system, entertainment and climate control, push button stop start control, speed limiter and cruise control, enhanced voice command, volume for both Bluetooth audio, controls for both Bluetooth and audio, power to all 4 windows, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. Beautiful car throughout. Travel along to see as it will be worth your while. We scrutinise the market on a daily basis to make sure you're getting a bargain. Not only that though, car's been prepared by main dealer technicians, safety checked to a super high standard, and award-winning customer service and aftercare service. Thanks for watching, bye bye for now.